This Samurai rebuild episode, we are going to be cutting out these crunched up rocker panels and welding in some beefy rock sliders to take the place and get rid of this ugly look. I got the main cut pretty straight, cut some relief cuts back through each side so we could fold this down, and look at all this dirt that's in here. What we're gonna end up doing is prying this down, coming back, cutting off all the excess, and then as you guys can see, we got a pretty straight line. I'll have to probably grind that a little bit, and that rock slider is gonna get welded just to the body. It should be strong enough on a Samurai, no worries there. A lot of the rock sliders for Samurais bolt only to the body anyways, so if we do it right, should be good to go. I have done this exact thing to a Samurai in the past before I had my YouTube channel. I'll put a picture here of what that Samurai looked like, and it was the same situation. Previous owner had smashed up the rocker panels with no sliders, and this is what I did. And I think this is gonna look pretty dang good, guys. All right, so we got everything cleaned up. Got the floor jack pushing our slider up into place, and we're going to be using the S welder. And this is going to be the first test of the thin Samurai sheet metal for the S welder. I think it's going to run good, but let's get this thing welded on here. Alright, there she is. As you guys can see, towards the end here, I got the settings dialed in a bit more, and this Samurai sheet metal is pretty thin, so I'm pretty happy with that. It looks so much better than that crinkled panel that was there before. For anybody that has a Yes Welder MiG 250 or something similar, 12.9 volts and 2.9 wire speed is what I found towards the end that worked the best. So would frame mounted sliders be stronger? Yes. This is another example of working within the confines of what you have or have been given. So the crunched up rocker panels had to get cut out, something had to go into place. This will be strong enough for what this Samurai will do. Like I said, most people who put sliders on, they just bolt to the body anyways. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, as always. And if you made it this far in the video and you're not already subscribed, do yourself a favor. You obviously like the videos. Go down below and subscribe. While you're there, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the concept of cutting out the crunched up rockers and just welding a slider in. I think it worked out really great. And yeah, as you guys can see, threw a little paint on here just to prevent rust. Not worried about overspray onto the body. As you can tell, we're gonna be repainting this baby eventually. So, at least now our rocker panels don't look horrible, and we have some protection. Also, I was really pleased with how the Yes Welder handled that thin Suzuki sheet metal, especially when welding it to a thick tubing. It actually worked out pretty good. So if you were on the fence about the Yes Welder, we've done some cage work, now some thinner body work, so I'm really happy with it. I got a ton more upgrades and videos planned for the Suzuki as well as the Gladiator, and then hopefully weather's starting to get real nice, snow's starting to melt, trails are gonna start opening up, and we're gonna get out there and start wheeling real soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.